Hey guys, today we talk about affiliate marketing. It is one of my favorite topic. Why? Because I make majority of my income through affiliate marketing. And for a person who has just started his website, affiliate marketing is the best way to monetize his blog. I have been doing affiliate marketing for over 5 years now, and in this video, I will be sharing my best strategies that I have learned over the years. So let's start with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Mastery course, and today it's another of my favorite topic, affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model where a company pays commission to third-party publishers to generate leads to the company's products. So in simple words, you refer people to a company's product through your special link and you make a commission from people who complete the associated tasks. So let me give you an example. You must have seen many apps like Ola, Uber, Uber Eats, Swiggy, Food Panda coming up with these promotional tactics. Refer and earn. So the more people you refer to these apps, they might be your friends, your family, the more money you will be making. So they might be offering you 200 rupees per a successful refer. This is also a model of affiliate marketing where you are referring your friends, your family members to the apps, and a company is paying you money by making you an affiliate. The more people you refer, the more money you will be making. So you are becoming an affiliate for this company. We'll be going into the case studies and more examples very soon. But first, let's go through the various networks that provide you these affiliate marketing opportunities. So there are various networks that you can use to find the affiliate offers. So first one is Commission Junkie. It's one of the biggest network out there in the market. Not primarily for the Indian audience, but yes, for the US and the UK market, they have some really amazing offers. Amazon Associate is one of the biggest affiliate network out there. Even I use Amazon Associate to make money. I'll be showing you the detailed proofs very soon. So this is the website of Commission Junkie. They have advertisers in almost all categories. Amazon Associate is one of the most popular affiliate network out there because it is easy to use, easy to promote, and the best part is that Amazon has a huge portfolio of products. This is the dashboard for my Amazon Associate account. As you can see that I made around 27,000 rupees from this network. The niche of my website is technology related. So people who came to my website, they have purchased almost 4,76,000 worth of product, and my commission in that is almost 27,000 rupees. It also gives you a detailed analysis on a per day basis on number of clicks you are getting, the conversion rate that you are getting. It will even show you the products that were ordered. So you can go into the earnings section. Here 5 items were shipped. So click on this date. You can see all the products that were shipped that day. So someone bought this wireless Bluetooth speaker, which the cost is 1500 rupees almost, and I made 62 rupees in that. For someone even purchased this reference multimedia monitor, and I made 576 rupees as commission because the commission was at 8%. Some products even have 0% commission like the Amazon Pay balance, and some even have the higher 10%. Another network is ClickBank. ClickBank is more complicated to do. It requires knowledge of advanced internet marketing. So I won't really recommend ClickBank for beginners. But yes, if you are a seasoned marketer, then you definitely must try ClickBank. vCommission is fairly popular Indian affiliate network. vCommission is one of the biggest Indian affiliate networks. You will find offers for credit cards, travel companies, recharge, coupons, etc. So even I am promoting a few of the credit card offers here. I haven't seen much success here with vCommission, but yes, it's a good network to have. Another good affiliate network to find Indian affiliate programs is admitad.com. I've seen fair amount of success here. I make around 10,000 rupees per month from this network. As you can see that I made 9,200 in the last 30 days. And here's the analytics of the various conversions. So I'm getting almost 19 to 20 clicks per day and around 5% of conversion. I also use Flipkart affiliate program along with my Amazon Associate account. I've seen my Amazon commission is almost 5 to 6 times of what I make through Flipkart. And the best part about Amazon Associate program is that the cookie duration is 24 hours. So let's say if you click any of the link on my website and you visit amazon.in. So not just the product that you clicked for, but any other product that you buy in that 24-hour period, I'll be getting a commission for that. Now, I'm not a very big affiliate. I have people in my network who are making 20, 30, 40, even $100,000 per month as affiliate income. Some of the seasoned affiliates are even flipping the websites. So let's say if they start a website, they try to rank it and get the revenue up to around $10 to $20,000 per month, and they sell the website at 10x or 20x the markup. So a $10,000 per month making website will easily be sold for $150,000 or $200,000. I'm making around $5,000 to $10,000 per month from affiliate marketing. This income is not coming from one website, so I have a portfolio of websites, but primarily 3 of my websites make the majority of my income. Now, starting a blog was the best decision of my life. Now, all the income that I'm making right now is all because I created that first website, all because I started learning about affiliate marketing. This is the reason that I even came up with a special offer just for all of you guys who buy the hosting and send me the receipt, because I want the serious people. I want people who are ready to take the first step to actually make money from their blog. Now, affiliate marketing is very simple. It's all about driving people to your website. When they click the link and complete certain actions, you will be rewarded with affiliate commission. Now, the action could be filling up a form or maybe making a purchase, but you will be paid the affiliate income. It is all about finding the right opportunities, finding the right offer, and providing value through your content. Don't directly go for the offers which pays you the most, but rather go for the offer that is actually valuable for the person who is reading the content. Now I'll be going through two case studies targeting the Indian market because I really want you to understand this concept of affiliate marketing. Currently, I'm signed up to almost 50 plus affiliate programs. So obviously, I cannot show you all my earnings, but I'll be giving you few of the key affiliate programs that make me most of my income. So this is the impactradius.com. As you can see that each month I'm making approximately 30, 40 or 50,000 rupees per month just through this one single affiliate program. This is a fairly new program that I've been promoting for the last couple of months, and I've made around $2,400 through this. So I've stopped using it because the reason was that this program was not really relevant for my audience. So that is something that you have to understand, that you don't have to be money minded, but you have to promote the programs that are actually relevant to your audience. Now I'll be giving you two case studies to actually show you how affiliate marketing works, how popular YouTubers like Sharmaji Technical and also coupon websites like Coupon Dunia and GrabOn.in are making money through affiliate marketing. So here I've opened a video of Sharmaji Technical. So it's a general technology related video, and you can see in the description section that along with Galaxy S8 you'll see a Amazon link. Now this is not a normal Amazon link, this is an affiliate link. And how do I know that? Because I can see this affiliate tag here. Tag is equal to Sharma2909-21. This is the affiliate ID of Sharmaji Technical Amazon Associate account. So now if you buy this mobile, Sharmaji Technical will be credited a 1 to 4% of affiliate commission. Similarly, coupon websites like Coupon Dunia and GrabOn.in are also making money through the affiliate commission. So majority of the key websites like Make My Trip, Zomato, Zoomcar, they all have affiliate programs. So let's take this example. Let's click on this Make My Trip. So if you visit this Make My Trip website through GrabOn.in, GrabOn has already loaded the affiliate cookie onto your browser. So if you now make a purchase, then GrabOn.in will be credited the affiliate commission. So guys, affiliate marketing is not new. Companies and people are making millions of dollars doing affiliate marketing. But trust me guys, it is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time, perseverance, a lot of knowledge and effort to build the affiliate website, get it ranked on Google search engines and drive traffic to be able to make that $10,000, $20,000 or maybe $30,000 per month. For my own website, which is driving around $3,000 to $5,000 per month, I have spent almost 6 months on working on the website and really optimizing the content, getting it ranked on Google search results to drive enough traffic to make that kind of commission. So I have some tips for all the beginners who are thinking of going into affiliate marketing. The first is the focus 20% of your effort on creating epic content and 80% in marketing. So this is the area where almost all the beginners go wrong. They just think that they'll create the article, create the blog post, and people will start coming onto their website. It doesn't work like that. So focus your effort 20% on the content. By 20%, I don't mean that you make mediocre content, but rather the majority of your time should be focused on marketing. You have to market the hell out of your content. I'll be coming up with an affiliate marketing course very soon, a very comprehensive, detailed, step-by-step course. And if you guys are watching it after maybe the mid of 2018, you might have already seen our course live. To really make good money through affiliate marketing, you need to become a master of SEO. Search engine optimization is the key. You have to learn the nuances. You have to learn everything about search engine optimization. The more articles that are ranking on the top search results, the more money you will be making. This can be done by creating a niche-based authority website. So let's say if you love dogs, then you can create a dog based website by targeting all the keywords related to dog and try to get your website ranked on the search results. So the more traffic that comes onto your website, the more dog related products that you can sell to your audience. And guys, please don't use any black hat technique. I know affiliate marketing is a patience game. I know affiliate marketing is a game of patience. You have to be patient because it takes time to get those results. So affiliate marketing is not something where you can leave your job and fully focus on affiliate marketing of your website. It should always be a side hobby, something that you can work on a couple of hours a day so that you can create an asset that can reap the benefits later. So now let's talk about how to receive the money as an affiliate. Let's say you already have a website or a YouTube channel and you're already making the money. Then how would you even receive the money? So there are various ways to get the affiliate income. The one I use is PayPal. So this depends on the affiliate network as well. What are the options they are offering? The most common option is PayPal account. So all you have to do is sign up for a PayPal account and you can withdraw the money from there by linking your bank account to the PayPal account. Some affiliate programs also offer the direct bank deposit functionality, the wire transfer. I personally prefer the PayPal and the wire transfer options because they are both easy to use. Here's a snapshot of my PayPal account. I have withdrawn almost 1.3 lakh to my Standard Chartered account on 10th of February and I received the money here in my bank account on 12th of February. But to receive the money in your bank, you have to link your bank account to PayPal and I've done it here. As you can see, my Standard Chartered bank account is linked here to my PayPal account. So guys, this was it about affiliate marketing, and as always, if you have any question, you can ask me on my social media, on our Facebook group. You can even email me at contact@ankulagrawal.in and I'll be happy to help.
Hey guys, I hope you have learned something new for affiliate marketing. Your website is not only for practice but also to monetize it, and affiliate marketing is the best way to make money from your website. Tomorrow we talk about another exciting topic, social media marketing. I'll see you in the next video.